November 8th, 2025, London session. We are bearish looking for sales. Uh, I mean, you just had this sell side swept, and could have got a trade off of that um, into this 5 minute fair value gap. It was a turtle soup, and then that breakup structure, and then the retracement into that fair value gap. So the trade right there, stop loss at the low, and then take profit at this high. That would have been a nice little trade. Um, now I'm looking for sells. This 5 minute, there's nothing, there's no gaps. There's this 30 minute gap right here and the 15 minute. And then the 5 minute buy side just got swept. There's no gap right here, so I'm safe to go for, I mean, sells. No extra gaps here. This second of him. No. So really after this, I could have gotten to the sell. Not really though. That could have been the sell, but it didn't close below any structure. So when this closes, I'll do this. Wait a minute. Create sell, uh, uh, How is that? Why is it doing that? Uh, Swinger, seven. Oh, shit I'm talking about. That's that shit. Four, one, all right, we're in a trade. Um, Only reason I could think of it going back up is to sweep this high. Let's see it. The last take profit, I'll do like two here, one. Um, and then didn't take these lows yet, so that would be take. Oh, I guess this could be take profit one, but uh, just nah. It's just nah. Okay, boom, two, four, six. Doing 6 contracts, half size. I've been risking a little low. So I wonder why it swept like that. There's no gap here. There's no, nope, it didn't hit that low. Didn't hit that low. I'm not gonna overthink it, but that is a little weird. Um, oh wait, I need to start this because I definitely did wake up 4 hours later in my car, but that's okay. Um, my fault. Came a little late to the session. I'm still confident in these shorts. I'm just confused why it swept down like that. I don't like that it swept this low like that. I wanted it to break below. I need an impulsive break because that just tells me it's gonna go up. Um, but that doesn't make sense at all, like with this. But it kind of makes sense for the 1 hour. But is that a gap right here? But that gap got disrespected 2 times. That's strange. Double top at that, but who traded double top? It's not me. I know that. I just need this break. I need a break below this line at least. I don't like that it keeps retesting. I want an impulsive break. Then there'll be another retracement if it hasn't already. But I'm saying after the break. If this closes below, it'll shoot down to my take profit. This is when I move my stop loss closer. That's crazy. Look at that, bro. 5, 5, 6 months. Yeah, I don't like that it's doing that. It's probably making an SMT on the ES right now. That's, so I'm in for shorts off of this order block, but that didn't even get touched yet. These lows didn't get taken out. That's good. None of these lows got taken out. That's really good. After this major liquidity pull and this gap right here, ES has to shoot down. It doesn't have to, but it should. You know what I mean? It'll be really strange if it does that. So maybe that should have been take profit one. I guess that would make sense. Where else? Oh yeah, but that should this like you know what I mean. That should be like taken out basically. Price is trying to reverse. I don't like that. If price closes above here, I'm exiting this trade. I'm going into a buy, but I probably shouldn't. I don't want to switch up my buys like that, but I mean, it just makes sense though. It genuinely just makes sense. If this is impulsive enough to close above this, it'll retrace back down to this gap and continue up because you have this turtle soup. But there's literally nothing else supporting the fact that it's bullish except that 1 hour sweep on down on this side. You know what I mean? So on the 1 hour maybe so like based on the 1 hour it's gonna go up, but based on the 30 minute and the 50 minute it's gonna go down. So um this is nice because I get to learn right now. Like what happens in this situation in this type of outcome. Because this got disrespected a couple times, and then it swept the sell side, and then now it's on its way up. But it was on its way up to that fair value gap, which had hit all those targets. Now it's on its way down. This looks like exhaustion. The buyers are exhausted. If price shoots up from here, I'll be really confused. It just doesn't make sense, you know what I mean? It's just like, why, how, when? Explain to me the numbers. What do they mean, man? I think I'm confident in that. I'm confident in that. I mean, it's bearish, so I'm pretty confident. No, why leg six? Total. I was gonna, huh? What? Oh, it's because of the goddamn. Wait. Oh, huh? No, this should be okay. That's fine. We'll just close it like this. That's- I guess. Technically, that's not full stop. So I can put two right there, I guess. But after this 5 minute closes, I think it's gonna come down simply. So we'll have one take profit and then we'll have break even. But I do want to see a close below something. I need some type of level for it to close below this. It was manipulation, sideways movement. But it's London session, so maybe I should have these last two just run. Because knowing London session, I could very well just have this shit sent. Considering it's also in a downtrend and I'm selling. Daily's on a downtrend too, I think. I don't know. But all I know is that price is not doing what it wants, what I want it to do. But I'm gonna make a video for Snapchat real quick. I finally got some sleep, which is nice. This thing is going up and down, up. I'm a little late. I fell asleep in my car, tapping into it. Price is not doing what it wants to do. Come tap in. I'm in this bitch. Got myself though. Just wants to go up. I don't know if that's good or bad. There's no SMT. Wait, this is. Oh, there is a SMT. That's nice. You have that upwards. This is downwards. I think that's the way I want it to be. I don't know like what. I just know that there's a divergence. I don't know what if this is up and that's down. I don't know what the difference means. Um, but still confident. How much was I risk? 19 handles? Is that what that is? Oh, nope, no, I thought that was edit. Okay, I'm not gonna touch those buttons. So, ES just took this high, the high up here that hasn't been taken. I do like that little volume push down, but I want to see this gap get disrespected and then reversed. If that gets reversed, then I'll be confident again, but this is just like creating shit for a reason. So it could have a reason to go up, like this gap right here. It's like it's the only thing that's keeping this thing bullish. No 5 minute, no 2 minute, 3 minute, same thing, nothing. Of course. I just need this candle to close below. That's it. And I'm confident it will. It'll sweep all of this, so this take profit will get hit for sure. I'm excited for this move to actually play out the way I think it's gonna get played out. But these buys into sells would have been nice. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. If I wasn't asleep in my car. This is good. I like to see this. Nah, I don't like to see that. Nah, no way it reverses like that. Really? That's huge. Oh no, this might no, this is going up. But I still it can still sweep that high though before coming down. The power of three, is that what this is? I don't want it to go up above that. That's when I start to get nervous. Price closes above this, it's safe to say it's a loss. Let me just make this 6 so that it could, do its thing faster. Yeah, look at that, bro. That's crazy. I guess we should have been stopped out here. This is take profit one. But what? How? I'm just confused. I guess it's gonna do a 5-minute turtle soup. I just can't see how much I'm risking. If that's 100, then that's probably that's not bad, but it's not ideal. I don't like that at all. I was, yeah, it's not like that. There's no nothing. There was nothing to indicate that it was going up. There has to be something. Like, this doesn't make sense. It's one of the things you just gotta charge it to the game and just move on. No, next trade. 'Cause everything I follow trading plan, everything. But sometimes it just doesn't work out. That's like 250, like 260 loss. That's bad. It'd be messed up if I hedge this and I lose. But, but where? Here? Do I hedge this? It's not a bad trade. I feel like you could do that because this isn't power of three. This is just like, oh, was it the inverse? Oh, I should be looking for buys, bro. Price comes down here. Unless it gets stopped up. But since I'm doing half risk, I can trade twice. Because this 15-minute, but I don't know, bro. That's tough. Because if I trade 6 right here, then I mean, if I hedge that, that'll be a winning position either way. But so what happens if I reverse? I don't know what happens. I don't want to find out. But I think I should be looking for buys. My earplugs fell out. I think I should be looking for buys right now, bro. Because this 15-minute is being used as the inversion level and it's being respected. That's why it shot up like that. I didn't see that. So this got reversed. You have this inversion that it's like kind of almost touching, and you have this fair value gap. So we're gonna see what happens. But that's crazy. Like you had all that bearish confirmation and that one inversion for rally again. I didn't pay attention to it because I thought it was just gonna respect the. See, this is tough because it's still in this 30-minute, but this the second candle that it's in. It didn't make a new high, which is good. Usually when it makes another high within that, well, then I'd be liquidated. Maybe I should put it up here in case that 5-minute gets liquidated. But like, right. But I don't know how much the risk was. That's what I don't like about that. Can't really tell where how much you're losing and winning. I think no, this inversion didn't get tapped into it. What do I do, chat? If it comes down, I can just minimize my risk. This is still a big fair value gap, so I feel like it has to come to the middle. And at that point, I'd be pretty low and draw down so I could exit and then enter. So like this would be ideal. But I just don't feel like that this is gonna happen, bro. Like there's no way. Like that 15-minute candle must be strong, bro. So these highs got taken. That's another SMT on the 5-minute. So then why is I just wanna I don't understand. It's like make it make sense. But it's okay. Living and learn. Is there a 5-minute gap right here? If there is, I'm good. Oh, there is, bro. Okay, well, I still have 3 minutes. It's gonna go lower into this gap first. So I need to look for a gap within this gap with it. Because the 5. Yeah, it would just be that. So just the middle of that. Yeah, because I don't want to trade against. But that got tapped into those. But the 5-minute did get tapped into it. I should tap into it again. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just switch it to buys. Price comes down like below 100 drawdown. It's just gonna consolidate to then. But then if it's like strong sells, you know what I mean? Like this is telling me it's gonna. You know what? We're gonna find out what this is telling me. Go with that. Um, what was I gonna figure out what it's telling me? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. SMT divergence. Um, SMT divergent ES MQ. So bearish. ES is making okay. Okay, this is textbook. It should just keep going down. And this gap, okay, this gap is getting closed. I like that. I like that. I like that. See, this. We're coming back to, you know what I mean? Like this is nice. This 5-minute gap is rough, but that's tough though. Like trading against the 5-minute. I don't know. Yeah. Can't even think anymore, man. Get out of my head. Get out of my head. Which- So you have okay, this price might come back lower. But this would be close to my entry. See that? Because I don't know if this 5-minute is gonna just shoot up and respect that gap or if it's gonna disrespect it. And I don't know if I can hedge my position. I don't, you can't be in two different. positions at the same time. But this is telling me bullish, so I feel like I should just stick to my analysis. Because I can't, you know what I mean? Like I can't, I don't want this 5 minute candle to close. Oh, it's not happening. Do you really think so, though? Because this 5 minute got swept perfect. I'm still bullish because this SMT is bullish. The 15, 30, and 5 minute is, well, I mean, bearish. I meant bearish. This is the only bullish thing. And then you have this 15-minute fair value gap, which I definitely could have already been in a trade. I feel like here's the new 5 minute candle. Let's see if it even wants to test the gap. Okay, there we go. So what do we do in this situation? It's kind of a coin toss, isn't it? It's both directions. But if it is the right direction, you know what I mean? Type, I don't, it'll be upsetting if I end up losing that. So I don't know, because this could easily sweep that buy side because the 1 hour it just looks like this, and then it sweeps the sell side, then buy side, then it goes down. That could easily be what's going on, and we won't know until this 5 minute gets hit. Okay, it's in a 3 minute gap as well. Yeah, this is looking really bullish. Looking like real bull soup. So it's looking at this. That's what it's looking like. How does this happen? So I kind of like that it's doing this, like wasting time, because once it gets closer to the time, like that's the like the less stress it'll have to be. Um, but the thing is, I just don't know how fast the 5 minute is gonna react to this gap, because this is exactly what I did yesterday, except it was on the opposite side for the sell. But it just doesn't like align with, you know what I mean? So it's just confusing as to why this is happening. But I will gladly keep taking this wasted time. I don't think it's gonna go up without touching the 5 minute. Unless it's leaving this as liquidity for when the buy side does get swept. So, but this is also, there's also a, no way so there's a 1 minute, I mean a 1 hour SMT. There's a 5 minute SMT. And then there's also a 1 minute SMT. But that was for that, so I don't really know if that counts. But doesn't look like it wants to play that game anymore. It swept this first. Oh, it's going down. That's nice. I don't want this to sweep. I need this to break. If this sweeps, then it's a loss for sure. I need this to break though. But it always just, it breaks anyway. Oh, it broke right here. Yep, that's what I don't want to happen. No, actually, it didn't hit the 5 minute yet. But still, I need this to break below all of this. How much left in this 5 minute? Mm, I'm surprised it hasn't touched it yet, but I mean, it's fine. So there's 1 more minute. This determines if it's bullish or bearish, but it's only going to determine that if it actually touched the gap. If not, then I have to wait for another 5 minutes to see what's happening. But there's so many like SMT divergences to the downside and then there's all of this, my initial buys, but everything that's opposite of that is this inversion that got respect to the 15 minute, and then you have this 5 minute gap right here that still hasn't been tapped into yet. There we go. See? So now we're gonna see if like what do I do? You know what I mean? There's so much divergence. Like how is it not? But this is just I don't know, bro. I have some no play right. This is ridiculous. Yeah, I'm going for buys here, bro. 21, 393, 0. I don't know, bro. So I need a sell limit, sell to there, create right there, and more, but it just doesn't make sense to me, bro. Like if this goes, it actually just doesn't make sense. And I'm actually gonna take a break for the rest of the week, bro, because this doesn't, like, what? Okay. You know what? I'm not even gonna complain, bro. Like, this is really confusing, bro. You don't understand. But my analysis was right, bro. Like this is the same thing I did yesterday. You know what I mean? Wait, how is that a that doesn't make any sense. Equity, balance. How am I below? Oh, because of the loss, obviously. Damn. So I didn't even make up for that loss here. Take profit to the moon. Oh, like no way. Okay, I'm gonna look for this guy to get swept first. Yes, but you had that. That's a nice sweep right there. That might have been just take profit. Should I just get out? But my sell stops is in profit, so I can't lose. Cannot lose. This is my entrance right there. But no, I mean, I could potentially. No, that's just too low. No, I'll just hold it. So okay, it closed above, that's good. Didn't close above this, it's not that good. But regardless, two take profits got hit. Here's my phone. Um, I'm glad I got to get out of that trade when I could. Only lost 100. That was good. Wait. I'm glad I caught that. I was not trying to be in forced sell positions. This is another entry right here, actually. You have this turtle soup, and then there's that power of three. Down, up, and then retrace. So like you could go like this. Another 1 to 2. Do we do it? Yes, no, maybe so. Do we do it? 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 This is not good habits. 21, 393, 21, 393. But I mean, it's not a bad idea. I got liquidated. Okay. Now it's bearish. So now we could look for sells, I think. So that was gonna get liquidated, but I left like right around here, like here. And then you make this like green, no, like that. And then if this closes below here, then I'm gonna trade off of this inversion. Now it's bearish. Okay, that's being respected. I don't know. I need more confirmation. I think we could go back for buys because all of that buying pressure was just for this high, I think. I don't think it was gonna come up above the 30 minute. But end of the day, end of this session, lower, which isn't a bad thing. So we got the loss out of the way. Oh, so I was right. Because now you have a bullish divergence. Stupid. But you know, I don't put it at the range. Which one is this? This is my, oh yeah. I did get liquidated, but that would have just, yeah, sending. Okay, I guess it is still bullish. So it goes for the bullish divergence. No, it doesn't. It's both down. I don't know what that means. I kind of went break even today, which is, it's not bad, but rather make some progress. That's okay. Instead of looking at all these, so that does, does, okay, what's going on? And the minor sell side liquidity that got swept, and now a possible turtle soup. We already took that 5 minute. It's a 5 minute turtle soup. Now you have this 1 minute, but it's bearish. Oh, so what happened? So what does that? Okay. Is this a gap? Nope. Price comes back down. No, we can liquidate. I look for another turtle soup. So that, yeah, that's sending. So it is bullish. Yeah. What? Okay. Oh, it's 4. Oh, my trading session's ended. Okay, nope, not trading. Not doing that. So let's put the back. They're just gonna keep those, I guess. Yep, that's right. Cool. Um, I had this. So this I ended in a loss. I got out here at the yellow line, and then I entered the buy like somewhere like this. No, that risk was that good. Wasn't like this. Oh, yes, it was. Yeah, so that's this trade. So this high is what I want. That's that last take problem. What do we do here? Okay. Oh, I mean, I guess if I was trading two contracts, it wouldn't have hurt. That was the stop loss. So I could have just kept them the same. Waiting for a deeper retracement. I'm 450. That's such a bad. This is so bad. This is horrible. No, this is actually horrible. This is disgusting. This is disgusting. Look at this. Look at this risk to reward. This is how you win in trading. When you have a risk to reward like this, you automatically win. This is, the physics of the physics of ICT. It's my fault. There's my knife. Where's my phone? Come on. Keep it moving, buddy. I'm gonna put my stop loss here. So at most I'd lose like $30. It's fine. What? Selling it. Okay. It's nice. I know what to do now. Get the hang of it. Selling it for three of them. Nah, I don't go back down. Boom. Mr. Buster. This doesn't want to go up, and I don't want to lose. Doesn't tapped in twice. Like, I don't feel like losing, bro. No one feels like losing. This is why you set and forget. This is exactly why you set and forget. Um, what was that buy? This was a really nice buy, but I didn't want to do this because I don't know if it was gonna inverse or not. But when I saw that it was strong bullish, then I'm like, okay, I'm confident. Yeah, so you had that bias. That would be like a 1, 2, 3 or something. Balance equity. Maybe like 60 or 70. Just shoot up a little bit. Shoot up a little bit, man. Still in this trade. This was the first trade. It lost obviously, but I got out early at this yellow line. So I cut my risk in like half for that. Um, and now I'm just waiting for price to hit take profit. So I took like $100 loss here, and then I was in these buys for it to go up here. And my first and second take profit got hit, and I moved my stop losses to like in profit, and so I got stopped out. But there was this trade right here, and then now I'm in this trade, as you can see. So there's a fair value gap down here that you could have traded off of, and then I traded off of this one, this fair value gap. Honestly, price close above. If it doesn't close above, then I'm gonna just close. Nice. I'll get back to you guys in a few minutes. Exiting this trade once this 5 minute closes. Out. Right. That's that. I think I lost like, what was I at? I lost like like $40. No, 17. Down $17 for the day, so break even. I'm okay with that. I'm down $13 technically. That's still crazy though. I should have definitely caught those buys earlier. I'm just really surprised it did that. But I guess just whatever's the most recent. And that's this 15 minute and everything, that's old news. But if it, oh yeah. Thing is, that 1 hour sweep was really the movement that made it want to go the opposite way. So if you really wanted to, you could have hit a nice trade. As soon as that 1 hour candle closed, this is what I used to trade too, except this was on the 5 minute. I would wait for a liquidity sweep on the 1 hour, and on the 5 minute I'd wait for a turtle sweep. So like there was kind of one right here, but this is like equal lows. I got swept, and then after these lows got swept, you look for a breakup structure. So right here, like this, and then you would put your stop loss at this low, and then just sand it up here. Look at that. That would have been nice. Nice trade for sure. But that 1 hour liquidity sweep, that's what it was. That 15 and 30 minute, it wasn't gonna do anything because of that 1 hour. It was faking out. But this is the power of three. This consolidation, sideways movement, then sweep one side, and then now it's shooting up to the other side. So this high right here, yeah, it got taken out. This one. Oh, it didn't. Not yet. It's going. But yeah, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you learned something. Stay productive and peace.